Nigga kill over a bitch, but let a rat keep his wife.
Shit, this record.
Confront the actual, your claim to fame of the allegations of shooting Larry Hoover. What do you have to say about that, your claim to fame?
Let me say that. This man think that my claim to shame is to shooting a young 18-year-old Larry Hoover when I was 18 years old. Brother, you vastly mistaken. That's my claim to shame. That I shot a guy who turned out to be one of the most hell of a dudes in this city. And let's go to that. We so much into trying to destroy one another that early part of this year, last year, they tried to say that Larry Hoover told on me. That he told the police that I shot him. I had to come on Facebook and made it perfectly clear. That man ain't never told on me, but damn. They did the same thing to David Barksdale. They put it on that David Barksdale told on some Blackstone Rangers in 1965 and 66. The question is, man, why do we as black people always tear down one another? I am not about, you know what? I'm not about nothing else but what I do now. Look what I do now. Look what I do now. This is what I do every day. Every day. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is what Highsmith do. I get up in my every working hour that I'm awake and working, I go to keep young black children alive and out of jail. When are we as a people gonna get together and stop this nonsense of putting dirt on each and every one of us? This man that went 31 years ago and pulled up some nonsense that is of no relevance to nobody in America, especially black people. It's not relevant to no black men or no black women in America. So I'm saying, please, man.
What's your relevance today, Dad? What's your relevance today for what you do today? My
relevance is saving people's lives and trying to build a safe and powerful and healthy community, man. That's what I do today. I've been working doing this every day of my life since I've been out of prison. This is my first job I ever had that was legal since I came off the porch. I'm redeeming myself. So if these brothers ain't got nothing to do but dig up dirt on every other brother, they dug up dirt on Malcolm, they dug up dirt on every brother you ever seen that was ever trying to do anything. The fact of the matter, man, we making a dude rich by scandalizing other black men. That's what we doing. We need to come together, man, and stop this garbage. I am not that same dude, because if I was that same dude, I'd have been at his door, his front door, and he'd have had to explain that to me in my face. You understand? But let the record reflect, man, I'm not about that. I'm talking about my children. I'm talking about my children. I got sons, and I know them. If somebody bring that to them, it's gonna be something.
That's what we call you heard it out the horse's mouth. James Highsmith told you. He's speaking directly to 1090J. He told you. Larry Hoover ain't snitch on him. Nah. 1090J went off a newspaper article that teach y'all don't do that. I'll be back with another one.